Digestion and absorption. First, digestion definition: conversion of complex complex substances into simple absorbable absorbable substance. Digestion means the conversion of complex food substances into simple absorbable substances is called digestion. The major components major components of food include carbohydrates carbohydrates proteins and fats. Vitamins and minerals are also major components, but they are required in small quantities. Vitamins and minerals are also major components, but required in small quantities. Required in small quantities. Next, water plays an important role in digestion. It prevents dehydration and involved in metabolic process. Water plays an important role in digestion for to prevent dehydration and also involved in metabolic process. Next, digestive system. Next, digestive system. Digestive system consists of alimentary canal. Digestive system consists of alimentary canal and associated glands. Digestive system consists of alimentary canal and glands. First, alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal begins with an anterior opening. Alimentary canal begins with an anterior opening called mouth. Anterior opening. Anterior opening mouth, and ends with a posterior opening. Ends with posterior opening, anus. Alimentary canal starts from mouth and ends with anus. Mouth is the anterior opening and anus is the posterior opening. The sequence of alimentary canal from mouth to anus. Mouth leads to buccal cavity. Buccal cavity or oral cavity. Buccal cavity consists of a large number of teeth. Buccal cavity consists of teeth, and muscular tongue. Buccal cavity consists of teeth and muscular tongue. Teeth. Teeth originated from ecto and meso. So the origin of teeth is ectomesodermal origin. The teeth are embedded embedded in the socket of jawbone. Socket of jawbone. This type of dentition is called thecodont. Thecodont. What is thecodont? Teeth are embedded in the socket of jawbone. Teeth are embedded in the socket of jawbone is called thecodont type of dentition. Next, in the lifetime of human, we have get two types of teeth. Two types of teeth. This two types of teeth. This dentition is called diphyodont. Diphyodont. What is diphyodont? We get two types of teeth. They are milk teeth and adult teeth. This two type of dentition is called diphyodont dentition. Milk teeth is also called as deciduous deciduous teeth. Adult teeth, milk teeth also called as deciduous teeth. Adult teeth also called as permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Next, there are four types. There are four types of teeth. This type of dentition is called heterodont. Heterodont. What is heterodont? We have four different types of teeth. This type of dentition is called heterodont. So the teeth are referred to as thecodont, thecodont, diphyodont, and heterodont. Important question. The teeth are thecodont, diphyodont, and heterodont. Thecodont means the teeth are embedded in the socket of jawbone. Diphyodont means in the lifetime of any human, we get two types of or two sets of teeth. This type of dentition is called diphyodont. Humans have four different types of teeth. This type of dentition is referred to as heterodont dentition. This is about teeth. Next, after buccal cavity then enters into the pharynx. Pharynx leads to the esophagus. Esophagus leads to the stomach. Stomach leads into small intestine. Stomach leads into small intestine. Small intestine leads into large intestine. Small intestine leads into large intestine. Large intestine leads into rectum. Large intestine leads into rectum. Rectum leads into anus. This is the passage of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starts from mouth, that is anterior opening, and ends with a posterior opening, anus. The sequence of alimentary canal from mouth to anus is: mouth leads into buccal cavity, buccal cavity leads into pharynx, pharynx leads into esophagus, esophagus leads into stomach, stomach leads into small intestine, small intestine leads into large intestine, large intestine leads into rectum, and rectum leads into the anus. This is the passage of alimentary canal. Next, the formula the formula of milk teeth. The formula of milk teeth is 2102 by 2102. The formula of adult teeth. The formula of adult teeth is 2123 by 2123. 2102 by 2102 is formula for milk teeth. 2123 by 2123 is the formula of adult teeth. We know the teeth have a hard chewing surface, that is enamel. Enamel is the hard chewing surface of teeth. Enamel is the hard surface of teeth. Helps in mastication of food. Mastication of food. Enamel is a hard layer on the surface of teeth. This enamel is useful for the mastication of food. Next, the tongue. The tongue is freely movable muscular organ. Tongue is freely movable muscular organ. The tongue is attached to the floor floor of buccal cavity. Important question. Floor of buccal cavity. Floor of buccal cavity by frenulum. Frenulum. What is frenulum? The tongue is attached to the base of buccal cavity by a loose tissue is called frenulum, that is present below the tongue. Tongue is attached to the floor of buccal cavity by frenulum. Pharynx. Pharynx serves as a common passage for both food and air, which is acts as a common passage for both food and air. Pharynx. Pharynx acts as a common passage for both food and air. The esophagus. The esophagus and trachea. The esophagus and trachea opens. The esophagus and trachea opens into pharynx. Hence, the pharynx is common passage for food and air. Next, epiglottis. What is epiglottis? Epiglottis is a cartilaginous flap, prevents the entry of food, prevents the prevents the entry of food into trachea. Epiglottis is a cartilaginous flap useful for the prevention of food into trachea.